Hi, so if you're watching this video, you are probably wondering how you can, as a beginner, start having your first 100 to $200 per day with affiliate marketing, promoting CPA product. Now, what is CPA? The CPA stands for cost per acquisition, right? So, for example, there are products out there, right? Products out there that you can promote as an affiliate 24/7 every day, right? And you get paid not per sale, right? You are not getting paid per sale, but you get paid per lead. What does it mean, getting paid per lead, right? Because usually you are used to, right? Many people are used to getting paid per sale. But here with CPA marketing, you're getting paid per lead or per action, right? When someone is taking action, let's say filling out the form, depositing money on the, I don't know, Forex exchange, cryptocurrency, or maybe, let's say, depositing or maybe putting that email address, right? You are paying, they're basically getting the lead, the company is getting the lead because of you, right? And you're getting the money. So in most cases, you will get $100, $200, even $500 per lead, or $50 per lead when someone is taking certain action. Certain action could be, first of all, could be filling out a form, like I said before, right? Survey, form, name and email, country, right? Female, male, whatever else. Or it could be also, just like I said, putting out one email, writing their own email inside the form, or for example, depositing 50 euros or dollars, whatever, in cryptocurrency exchange or Forex exchange, right? And you getting a higher commissions. Now pay attention, right? The person could deposit only $30 and you get $300. So why would the company be so crazy or stupid to pay you this much? It's really smart question. Why? Because most people don't understand CPA marketing, right? They don't understand that the company is going to earn in 1 year or 6 months or 3 months way more than they pay you. If they pay you 300 euros or dollars or $1,000, right? In this case, then they will make $10,000 from the same person. So they have the math to the zero, right? They have math dialed in. So you as an affiliate who is watching this video, and if you want to make money with CPA affiliate marketing, right? Then please contact me below this video. There are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can reach out to me, ask me any question you want, but most importantly, be serious. So if you're serious, and I think you are, because as you're watching this video right now, you begin to understand that taking action is really important for your success, for your results, to make money online as an affiliate. So if you want to have results, right, like us, like our clients, our students, then click the link below these videos, reach out to me, and let's start working together. You're gonna get done for you campaigns, done for you traffic sent to you, or visitors sent to your affiliate link, and also I will show you the secrets of affiliate marketing, the secret offers we are promoting, private offers, VIP offers as an affiliate to make huge bucks online with affiliate marketing. So again, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you.